Hey guys, I just figured out about a feature from watching a video Okay, so when I tell you to subscribe, is there a little rainbow on the subscribe button? Because if there is, I would like you to subscribe. I would like you to scroll down, just look at the subscribe button. Okay, and now I'm gonna say subscribe to my channel. Okay, does it work? Okay, everybody, I'm just using this as a test to see if the sub button actually, changes. So I'll give it like another few seconds to do what it's doing. Bad arm right now. I could have hit that.
Okay, now you're going after black. That's crazy.
The second one I could have. That one I couldn't hit. I could have hit that if I. Better aim. Boom. Should get it to 12. Oh, okay.
What? Okay, I'm ready.
I'm gonna be here for a while, so sit back, get a drink, maybe. I'm just gonna see how long it takes me. 12. Oh, I tell you, I don't know what I hit.
I guess you did it.
But whatever it did, I did.
I'm coming for you, Orange.
There we go. We made it to 12. Okay. So I just wanted to see if the sub button actually changed, made it rainbow. So
Your granny is dead.
if it did, just comment down below that it did. I just wanted to test this feature out. Yeah, I hope you liked the video. This is not going to be that short, hopefully. And as always, see you.